2017 had started on the right foot for both AS Roma and Fiorentina. With Viola supporters still savouring back-to-back wins, including a long-awaited triumph over Juventus, Ivan Juric's struggling Genoa appeared next in line to bow down to Paulo Sousa's revitalised side. In the capital, on their first home appearance in the championship of the new year, AS Roma made it a third 1-0 win in succession. Although a trip to Sampdoria had historically been awkward for the giallorossi, an opening goal in under 5 minutes eased any pre-match apprehension. Fiorentina also struck early as they aimed to continue their dominance over the Grifone in Florence. And after 3/4 of their respective matches against the Blu Cerchiati and Rosso Blu, riding the waves of fortune, the informed duo's positive form seemed set to continue. But Genovese pride stirred in the two teams that have collected 9 defeats combined over the last 6 winless rounds. Fiorentina lost the chance to make up further ground on the European places. AS Roma allowed Juventus to escape their clutches once again. Now, the showdown on Tuesday at the Olimpico has Italy's 2 surviving Europa League representatives licking their wounds. The sides have met once before in round 23 on February the 7th in 2010. 1 goal was enough to decide the outcome, while the season run-in saw giallorossi hearts broken by Sampdoria, whose smash and grab denied the capital outfit the title. That defeat came 4 rounds from the end. This time, there are 16 games still to play. Plenty of time to ensure history doesn't repeat itself.